Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to do a salute on Caillou Gets Ungrounded. Why? Because I really love this Ungrounded series with the burning passion. Enjoy the video. Caillou Gets Ungrounded. Yes! This Ungrounded series rocks! Do you know why that I really love this Ungrounded series? Number 1. Caillou is adorable. Number 2. Caillou is not a troublemaker. Number 3. The reason why that I really love this Ungrounded series, because I really love Caillou. Do you know who loves this Ungrounded series? Everybody. Everybody loves this Ungrounded series with the burning passion. But I don't know who hates this Ungrounded series. So Caillou Gets Ungrounded rocks. And so does Rosie Gets Ungrounded. This Ungrounded series rocks too, because Rosie is my favorite character, and I love Rosie. Little Bill Gets Ungrounded sucks. End of salute. If you have any requests about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.